Hello and welcome back to the Books channel. Today I'll show you a very popular Books feature called split screen. To begin, our device has two types of split screen, one for apps and the other for files in the built-in NeoReader. Let's begin with the first. The system-level split screen allows you to use two apps at the same time or one app simultaneously with a book or a notepad. Simply open an app, swipe down the menu in the upper right corner, and click the split screen button to switch between horizontal and vertical mode. You can choose the direction of a horizontal split screen when you select it. Following the selection of the split screen mode, you can select a book in NeoReader, a notepad in Notes, or another app that supports split screen. As a result, you can use them both on the same display. To change the display order, return to the menu, tap the split screen button, and then select Swap Side. Simply tap the return or home button at the bottom to exit split screen mode, or click the split screen button and select Exit Split Screen Mode. When you use a system-level split screen, you can still use an app and also browse files, take notes, or open another app. This is ideal for multitasking users. Another option for splitting the screen is the split view in our NeoReader, which is best suited for splitting between books or between books and notes, making it easy to compare files or take notes while reading. To begin, open any book, bring up the menu, and tap the split view button. Then a number of options will show up. The first one is Current Doc Only. It lets you open the same document in both panels at the same time, making it simple to compare or refer to different sections of the same book. The second function is Current Doc and Another Doc. It allows you to open another document, making it simple to read two files at once. The third option is Doc and Notepad, which allows you to take notes while reading and save them with the book. To find your reading notes, launch the Notes app and select the rightmost button to view all of your linked reading notes. The fourth button, Doc and Translate, is especially helpful for language students. Reading a foreign language book while also viewing a translation is extremely convenient. NeoReader's split view, like the system-level split screen, has two modes, landscape and portrait. You can also choose the one that best suits your work and learning style. And here's a tip for the split screen. If you want to simulate a real-life reading experience, try using our page display function. For EPUB and other reflowable formats, just go to the Format panel, find Page Display, and click the first button. For PDF and other fixed formats, find Page Display in the Format panel as well, and tap the third or fourth button. Then, just like the paper books, you can immerse yourself in the stories by reading 2 pages at a time. That's it for today's tutorial. Did you find our instructions helpful? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. I'm John from Books. See you next time.